Walk Earn app review. Is it legit or a scam? So the Walk Earn app claims to let you earn money or rewards simply by walking and tracking your daily steps. It's part of the growing move to earn trend where your fitness activity is converted into points or cash. But the question is it actually legit or just another scam app? So the pros of the Walk Earn app is it encourages fitness. It motivates users to walk more daily. It's also simple to use. Just install, connect Step Tracker, and start earning points. It is also free to download and there's no upfront payment. The cons is though, they have low payout rates. You need to walk excessively to earn even a small amount. And the ads are very heavy. The constant ads make the experience frustrating. It is also having the payout issues. Some users report difficulty cashing out their rewards. And it's not sustainable for long term. So is Walk Earn app legit or a scam? Well, it's not exactly a scam since it does track steps and offer rewards. However, it's not a reliable way to make real money because the payouts are minimal and the ads are overwhelming and many users struggle to withdraw the earnings.